Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is the day na we are now ready to share with you guys yung aming bathroom. Well, it's not yet 100% finished. Mga 95% pa lang siguro. There are two items left. Yun yung painting of the ceiling and the installation of the tempered glass na door for the shower. Other than that, lahat kompleto na.
Yung painting ng ceiling will be scheduled tomorrow. And later this afternoon, pupunta dito yung mag-measure ng sa tempered glass para sa shower. So, pero basically, ito na siya.
Yes, so actually earlier, pumunta sila dito to paint pero we decided na bukas na lang because we already prepared the bathroom for this vlog. So baka marumihan ulit siya. So, bukas na sila pupunta to paint it.
And before anything else, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video, and also follow us on our Instagram account, which you can see on your screen, and also like our Facebook page, and that's it.
Alright, so ready guys? Let's go! Okay guys, so we're ready to enter our bathroom, but before that, let's start with the door first. So this door actually is not brand new. This is the old door that we have. So what I did is I just painted it using a roller, a paint roller. So parang ano lang, malinis lang siyang tignan. Yes, oo. So come here. Alright, so let's start with this area first. So our toilet area. So first thing that you will notice guys is our throne. So we changed our throne. This is a last minute decision actually. We decided to change the throne mga after or the day na ini-install na yung floor. So, we didn't mention this before, yung price. So, we will just put the price somewhere on the screen. And aside from the floor, we also bought some stuffs here. So, meron na tayong basurahan dito sa gilid. And meron din tayong brush dito sa right side, which we bought from SM Department Store. We also put some plants here. Ayan, kahapon lang namin yan binili. And of course, yung basket from the Central Market. On this side guys, sa taas, you will see a floating shelf na nilagyan namin ng tissue. Tapos paper towels dito sa top, and then a plant there para maging earthy vibe. We bought this also from Ace Hardware, so we will just flash the price sa screen. And yung tissue, this is marami siya kasi nga this is a giveaway from Save More. Kaya yun guys. Yun lang. So the light, we changed that also. It's now 4-inch light. And also, meron pa rin siyang exhaust fan on top. So, same exhaust fan, nilinisan lang namin. So, as you have noticed, hindi pa siya well-finished yung because hindi pa nga siya napintahan. So, that's it for this area. Yung bidet, this is the same that we had before. So, ni-reuse lang namin. Alright, so that's for the toilet area.
Sa center area naman is our sink area. This is where we do our toothbrush, and then dito kami nagmumog or nag-rinse na mukha namin sa morning. So dito siya. So yung first namin na is yung mirror. We got this sa Ace Hardware. It was on sale. The price for this one is 2,800, but we only got it for 2,085. So 800 siya. And then yung lights, ito yung, if you saw our previous vlog, Arnel mentioned na maglalagay siya ng lights. So, di ba? It's combination of white and warm white. Good combination siya, especially sa mirror. Sorry sa haggard face namin because we just woke up. Para matapos to kasi aalis kami for lunch in a bit. Okay, and this one, naglagay kami nito. This is from Bright Ideas Manila. Yung scent niya is clean. At first, hindi siya namin naamoy. But, pagising namin sa umaga, doon na siya nangamoy. So, yung scent niya is parang hotel. So, which is good. And, then dito lang yung toothbrush. Yung toothbrush namin is, na-amaze kami dito kasi it's a first toothbrush na biodegradable. So, for the environment siya. And this one, yung plant naman na nilagay namin dito is this is very old plant na sa bahay. So we just repot it And binili lang namin to sa Central Market. And tip pala, yesterday we went sa isang mall dito sa Bacolod. Yung parang rattan na basket nila is 1,743. But pumunta kami ng Bacolod Central Market. We only got this, yung tatlo, for only 500 pesos. See, it's more than 1,000 na save namin. So, this is our hand soap because hand washing is very important nowadays. So, nandito lang siya. And yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat is yung aming Hamper. So, dito nakalagay yung mga used clothes namin. We got this at SM Department Store for 1,200. Nandiyan na yung hamper namin. Yung kaso, yung problema is hindi siya magkasya kasi nga, yung sa baba, yung parang tube ng sink, na ano siya. So, naka-ano lang siya, naka-lengthwise. Yung kaso. Pero okay pa din na naman. And then, yung para sa mga toiletries, yung mga pang-disinfectant namin dito sa CR, binilhan lang namin siya ng tray. This is from Ace Hardware. So, nandito lang siya, yung sabon ng mga aso, sa loob, yung mga lahat. Nandyan na siya. Para neat lang siya tignan. So, that's it. Meron din siyang cove light sa taas.
Which is, can we change the colors, guys? Ayan. When you turn it off, ayan,
white
it's
na
going to
siya.
be white.
Turn off.
It's good. That's the white.
Yeah, that's what it is.
And then that's the what do you
Warm
call
white.
it? The warm white. And
So,
then the next is the combination of both. Ayan.
So, yung paint ng ceiling is bukas pa. So, that's why hindi siya neat pa tingnan.
Alright, so the last part of it is of course our shower area, guys. So like what I have mentioned earlier, I am planning to put a tempered glass door here para naman of course every time maliligo hindi na siya pupunta yung tubig dito sa labas. So there, that's the only thing na ilalagay natin dito sa shower area. But for our shower, look at this. So, this is the one that we bought from Wilcon Depot. It was properly, so I really like how it was installed, guys. And of course, the heater. Look at our heater. This is exactly how it should be installed. Hindi yung dito lang nakalabas yung telephone shower, tapos nakalagay dito. It has to be, yung tube must be hidden. So, yung tube is actually going here and going here.
May plastic ka na. Tang glue.
Yes, it has a plastic. So there, so it's stable Eltron heater, tapos naglagay lang kami ng outlet sa taas. It is supposed to have a circuit breaker, pero ang sabi ng electrician namin, since we already have circuit breaker sa main, so hindi na kailangan dyan. So there, so it's as usual, it's rain shower head. And bumili lang kami ng loofah. Ayan. So we decided not to use yung soap na lang, guys, na bar. Bar bang tawag doon. We will be using body wash moving forward. And what I like also is we put a place here to put our shower something. Ayan. O, diba? Mas malinis. And also for exhaust, because as you have noticed, walang window ang aming shower area. And once na-close to, so parang enclosed lahat. So we have to put a small window up here para naman hindi kami masuffocate dito sa loob. So there, that's it for our bathroom.
So guys, that's it for today's vlog. And by the way, all the prices including the labor cost as well as yung electrician, please see the link, our description box below. Nandun lahat siya. So, kayo masyashock na ganun kalaki yung nagastos namin for this restroom. So, that's it. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And also follow us on our Instagram account as well as like our Facebook page.
And of course, guys, if you have any comments, suggestions, don't forget to leave it below. And we are so thankful for your support. Yung YouTube sweldo namin, binili din namin ng mga materials dito. And finally, we will not be shy anymore sa mga visitors na pupunta dito sa bahay because now our bathroom is presentable. So thank you so much guys for your support.
So that's it. See you on the next one. Bye guys. Thank you.